my friends, this is Aldie, and today I want to share with you 5 ways to build your credit score. Now, I personally came a long way, and I wish I had someone just like this to tell me exactly what it was I was supposed to do. Now, I'm going to tell you straight up that there's all different situations and all different mechanisms that you can use to fix your credit. And I'm not a financial advisor, but I do have a pretty good credit score, and I want to give you some advice that I've personally used to help me build my credit. So listen up. The first way to build your credit score is to get a secured card from your bank. Basically, what this is very simple. You're going to go to your bank and you're going to tell them that I will secure a certain deposit to make sure that I will build my credit. For instance, let's say you're starting out with no credit. You go to your bank and you bring them $500 and you tell them, I'm going to give you this money so that I will secure my credit. And basically what this is money that you can use to build your credit. Now let's say you use about $10 a month and then you pay it off. And you do this over and over again. And you create this cycle where you build trust with your bank. Eventually, that trust is going to transfer to your credit score. I'm going to make this very simple for you. Do your research first and then go to your bank and then ask your banker if a secured card is right for you. The second way to build your credit score is to actually open up some accounts and use your cards consistently. Look, my friends, a lot of people are going to tell you that you should not ever use a credit card. And I've talked to a lot of people who are so scared and they don't even know why they're scared of using a credit card. They just know that someone else told them that it was a bad decision because maybe that person had gotten themselves into a trap. But what I'm saying is this: if you open up one card, for instance, and you use it consistently in a small way and pay it off every month, every year, and maintain a small balance, your credit will begin to rise. There's no way that it won't work. Now, the reason why people might get into trouble is because they're applying for all these cards and they're using up all their balances and they cannot pay their balances because the APR is too high. And now their credit is collecting more interest and they haven't learned how to increase their income. That's when the trap begins to set in. But you're not like that. You're more responsible and you're gonna get a card or two that will help you to build your credit consistently. The third way to build your credit is to keep your usage rate down. And basically what this is that on any single credit card that you get, there's gonna be a percentage that you use. For example, let's say you have a $1,000 credit limit and your usage of that card is only $100. That means that you've only used 10% of what you're capable of using, and so therefore you have a lower usage rate than someone who would use a full $1,000 that they were given. If you use $1,000, then that would put you in the 100% usage rate, which means that your credit score might go down. But if you keep it below 10%, let's say $5, then your credit score will go up. And if you keep on making purchases and paying it down consistently, your credit score will rise dramatically over time. This is a secret to building your credit score. So there's a lot of ways that people can responsibly do this. For instance, let's say that you want to fill your tank up with gas and you use your credit card once a month, $50. You say to yourself, I'm only going to use $50 a month to fill up my tank, and that's it. No more, no less. And the next month you pay off $49 because you do want a little bit of balance left on your card. And you keep on doing this consistently for 5 years. What do you think is going to happen? You're basically showing your banker, look, you can trust me. You've given me extra money. I haven't used it all, and the money that I have used, well, I paid it off. So give me more. And instead of having a $1,000 limit, eventually they're going to grant you $5,000 or $10,000 or $20,000 or $50,000 or $100,000. Or you'll get different offers from different banks. You'll get cards being sent in the mail all the time, and you don't have to necessarily use them, but you have to know, hey, my credit is getting better because now I'm getting more offers. The banks trust me because I'm a credit-worthy person. The fourth way to build your credit is to decrease your number of inquiries. So a lot of people make the mistake of thinking, hey, I want to see how credit-worthy I actually am, and they inquire into different credit cards or different auto loans or different mortgages. And they're sending all these signals to the bank showing them that they want different things. So the bank decreases their credit score because this person wants too many things. They see this person as greedy, and so they label them as uncreditworthy. So if you want to build your credit, don't make too many inquiries. Try to keep it to 3 or less per year. And the fifth and final way to build your credit score is to never miss payments. Now I know this might sound obvious, but millions and millions of people miss payments every single day. You know, it's very simple. All you have to do sometimes if you're going to miss a payment is to call your bank and ask them for a simple extension. And sometimes they'll give you a week or two or even a month, or they'll tell you when's the absolutely last day you can pay before your credit gets reported to the 3 major boroughs in America. But what I'm saying to you is to not even put yourself in that predicament at all. Don't spend more than you earn, and then when the bill comes in, you don't know how to pay it. Find a way to increase your income or decrease your spending. That is how you build your credit. When it comes to credit, you never want to miss a payment. Not only will they hit you with a penalty, but your credit score will be greatly affected. My friends, I've shared with you 5 ways to build your credit score. Keep these 5 tips in your mind and practice them so that you, my friend, can build your own credit. If you know anyone that can benefit from this video, please share it with them and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Comment in the section below and find me on Instagram because I have so much inspiration that I want to share with you. My friends, I look forward to watching you build your credit and helping you improve your whole entire financial situation. I'll see you guys on the next video.